11 Natural Home Remedies for Stomach Ulcer. Do you have ulcer or you know someone that is battling with ulcer? Have you tried the conventional anti-ulcer treatment and you have not gotten a desirable result? Sit back because you are about to discover natural home remedies for ulcer in this video. Conventional anti-ulcer treatment basically depends on medications whose side effects can be headaches and diarrhea. Because of these side effects, there has been increase in the interest in alternative remedies by both medical professionals and individuals living with ulcers. Ulcers are sores that can develop in different parts of the body. Stomach ulcer, otherwise known as gastric ulcers, develop in the lining of the stomach. They are very common. Different factors that disrupt the balance in your stomach's environment can cause them. The most common is an infection caused by the Helicobacter pylori bacteria. Other common causes include stress, smoking, excess alcohol consumption and the overuse of anti-inflammatory medications, such as aspirin and ibuprofen. If you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell icon. This video highlights 11 natural home ulcer remedies. 1. Cabbage juice. Cabbage is a known natural ulcer remedy. Medical doctors were reported to have used it decades before antibiotics were available to help heal stomach ulcers. It's rich in vitamin C, an antioxidant shown to help prevent and treat Helicobacter pylori infections. These infections are the most common cause of stomach ulcers. Studies showed that daily consumption of fresh cabbage juice appeared to help in stomach ulcers more effectively than the conventional treatment used at the time. Cabbage juice contains compounds that may help prevent and heal stomach ulcers. Cabbage is also rich in vitamin C, which appears to have similar protective properties. 2. Licorice. Licorice is a famous spice that is native to the Mediterranean region and Asia. It is gotten from the dried root of the Glycyrrhiza glabra plant and is a known traditional herbal medicine used to treat many conditions. People have used licorice in traditional medications for hundreds of years. Some people believe that eating a dried licorice root can help cure and prevent ulcers. However, research tends to focus on the use of supplements, not dried licorice root. So, people interested in using this spice for ulcers may want to try it as a supplement. One study found that taking licorice supplements can help fight Helicobacter pylori infections. The study suggests that the supplement helps prevent the bacteria from growing. Some studies report that licorice root may have ulcer-preventing and ulcer-fighting properties. For example, licorice may stimulate the stomach and intestines to produce more mucus, which helps protect the stomach lining. The extra mucus may also help speed up the healing process and help reduce ulcer-related pain. Studies further report that certain compounds found in licorice may prevent the growth of Helicobacter pylori. However, studies are generally based on the use of these compounds in supplement form. Thus, it's uncertain how much dried licorice root someone would need to consume to experience the same beneficial effects. Dried licorice root should not be confused with licorice-flavored sweets or candy. Licorice candy is unlikely to produce the same effects and is generally very high in sugar. Licorice may also interfere with certain medications and cause side effects, such as muscle pain or numbness in the extremities. Consider speaking to your healthcare practitioner before increasing the licorice content of your diet. Licorice may prevent and fight ulcers in some individuals. 3. Honey. Honey is an antioxidant-rich food linked to a variety of health benefits. Honey appears to prevent the formation and promote the healing of many wounds, including ulcers. Furthermore, scientists believe that honey's antibacterial properties can help fight Helicobacter pylori, one of the most common causes of stomach ulcers. Regular consumption of honey may help prevent ulcers, especially those caused by Helicobacter pylori infections. People also use honey to speed up wound healing, including skin ulcers, burns, and wounds. 4. Garlic. Garlic is another food with antimicrobial and antibacterial properties. Garlic is popular in many parts of the world for adding flavor to food. Garlic has antimicrobial and antibacterial properties, which make it helpful in fighting infections. Animal studies observe that garlic extracts may speed up recovery from ulcers and even reduce the likelihood of them developing in the first place. What's more, lab, animal and human studies all report that garlic extracts may help prevent Helicobacter pylori growth, one of the most common causes of ulcers. In a recent study, eating 2 cloves of raw garlic per day for 3 days helped significantly reduce bacterial activity in the stomach lining of patients suffering from Helicobacter pylori infection. Garlic has antimicrobial and antibacterial properties that may help prevent ulcers and heal them quicker. However, more research is needed. 5. Turmeric. Turmeric is easily known by its rich yellow color. Curcumin, which is turmeric's active ingredient, has been attributed to medicinal properties. These range from improved blood vessel function to reduced inflammation and heart disease risk. What's more, curcumin's anti-ulcer potential has recently been studied in animals. It appears to have immense therapeutic potential, especially in preventing damage caused by Helicobacter pylori infections. It may also help increase mucus secretion, effectively protecting the stomach's lining against irritants. Limited studies have been done in humans. One study gave 25 participants 600 mg of turmeric 5 times per day. 4 weeks later, ulcers had healed in 48% of participants. After 12 weeks, 76% of participants were ulcer-free. In another, individuals who tested positive for Helicobacter pylori were given 500 mg of turmeric 4 times per day. After 4 weeks of treatment, 63% of participants were ulcer-free. After 8 weeks, this amount increased to 87%. Curcumin, turmeric's active compound, may protect the stomach lining and help ulcers heal. However, more research is needed, especially in humans. 6. Mastic. Mastic is a resin obtained from the Pistacia lentiscus tree, more commonly known as the mastic tree. Other common names for mastic include Arabic gum, Yemen gum and tears of chaos. The mastic tree generally grows in the Mediterranean region, and its sap can be dried into pieces of brittle translucent resin. When chewed, this resin softens into a white opaque gum with a pine-like flavor. Mastic has long been used in ancient medicine to treat various gut disorders, including stomach ulcers and Crohn's disease. Mastic appears to have antibacterial activity against Helicobacter pylori as well. In one recent study, intake of 350 mg of mastic gum 3 times a day for 14 days eradicated Helicobacter pylori infections 7 to 15% more effectively than the conventional treatment. Although this finding has not been universally observed in all studies, long-term mastic consumption is generally considered safe. Thus, it might be worth testing it out for yourself. Mastic can be found at most health food stores either as a gum or powdered supplement. Mastic is a traditional anti-ulcer remedy that may help reduce symptoms and speed up recovery. It's considered safe, but its effects can vary from one person to another. 7. Chili peppers. There's a popular notion among people suffering from ulcers that eating chili peppers too often or in large quantities may cause stomach ulcers. In fact, people suffering from ulcers are often advised to limit their consumption of chili peppers or to avoid them completely. However, recent research shows that these peppers are unlikely to cause ulcers and may actually help get rid of them. That's because chili peppers contain capsaicin, an active ingredient that appears to reduce stomach acid production and enhance blood flow to the stomach lining. Both of these factors are thought to help prevent or heal ulcers. The capsaicin found in chili peppers may also help increase mucus production, which can coat the stomach lining and protect it from injury. Therefore, it may be best to stick to the whole food and adjust your intake based on your personal tolerance. Contrary to popular belief, regular consumption of chili peppers may help protect against ulcers and perhaps even enhance their healing. However, more studies are needed, especially in humans. 8. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is widely known for its antibacterial and skin healing properties. Interestingly, aloe vera may also be an effective remedy against stomach ulcers. Aloe vera intake is considered generally safe, and the above studies show some promising results. Aloe vera may be an easy, well-tolerated remedy against stomach ulcers. 9. Probiotics. Probiotics are live microorganisms that offer an array of health effects. Their benefits range from improving the health of your mind to the health of your gut, including its ability to prevent and fight ulcers. Although the way this works is still being investigated, probiotics seem to stimulate the production of mucus, which protects the stomach lining by coating it. They may also promote the formation of new blood vessels, which eases transport of healing compounds to the site of the ulcer and speeds up the healing process. Interestingly, probiotics may play a direct role in preventing Helicobacter pylori infections. Probiotic-rich foods tend to provide less colony-forming units per portion than supplements, but they are worth adding to your diet nonetheless. Good sources include pickled vegetables, tempeh, miso, kefir, kimchi, sauerkraut and kombucha. People can also find probiotics in the following sources: yogurts, fermented foods and probiotic supplements. Some foods have probiotics in them. But, consider taking supplements as they have higher concentrations of probiotics per serving. Probiotics may help prevent and fight ulcers. They may also enhance the efficiency of anti-ulcer medications and reduce their side effects. 10. Colorful fruits. Many fruits contain compounds called flavonoids, which are polyphenols. Flavonoids contribute to trusted source the rich colors of some fruits. According to a 2011, polyphenols can help with stomach ulcers. They can also help a range of other digestive issues, including spasms and diarrhea. Flavonoids protect the stomach lining from developing ulcers. They do this by increasing stomach mucus, which inhibits the growth of H. pylori. Flavonoids also have antioxidant properties. Flavonoids are present in fruits such as apples, blueberries, cherries, lemons and oranges, nuts etc. 11. Plantain. Plantains are a type of banana. Research suggests that unripe plantains may have a positive effect on peptic ulcers. Unripe plantains contain a flavonoid called leucocyanidin. Leucocyanidin increases the amount of mucus in the stomach. This fruit may also reduce acidity, which can help prevent and relieve symptoms of ulcers. Certain foods may increase the likelihood of developing ulcers and delay their healing. Their intake should be minimized by individuals prone to or suffering from stomach ulcers. Stomach ulcers are a relatively common and irritating medical condition. The natural remedies highlighted above may help prevent the development of stomach ulcers and facilitate their healing. In some cases, they may even improve the effectiveness of conventional treatment and reduce the severity of its side effects. However, it's important to note that in most cases, it remains unclear whether these natural remedies are as effective as conventional treatment. Thus, those suffering from ulcers should seek advice from their healthcare professional before self-medicating. Do not forget to share this video and give it a thumb up if you find its contents helpful. Thanks for watching.